The border dispute between India and China has surfaced for a long time. On Monday night, China fraudulently attacked the Indian army, and in this clash, 20 soldiers, including our one army colonel Santosh Babu, were martyred. Indian soldiers are now being prepared with more strength to respond to this deception from China. According to media reports, India's army is now being prepared in such a way that they can respond to all kinds of attacks in the same manner. Now, this kind of training is being given to Indian soldiers, in which, if Chinese soldiers attack with ammunition, then our army will also answer it with the same power. Such a decision has been taken because the clash between the two countries on Monday did not happen suddenly. It was a completely thought out conspiracy. When the commanding officer of our army was patrolling, the Chinese army attacked the officer with sticks. Every citizen of India is angry with this deception of China. So now the army is being prepared in such a way that they can now answer the brick with stone. Along with this, machine weapons and cannons are constantly being sent to our army, and clear instructions have been given to the army to maintain its position.